Ah, the French Alps, home to world-class skiing, breathtaking views, and a liquor so potent it could probably power a small village. This is Chartreuse. So we're staying in Val Thorens in the French Alps, which is part of the Trois Vallées or Three Valleys ski area, which is the largest ski area in the world. 600 kilometres of skiable piste. I need to get suited and booted and get up the mountain. I think the wind is about to change, so there's going to be a lot more wind, so that could make things slightly more challenging. Tasting Chartreuse at altitude in Val Thorens, and the wind is howling. Hopefully you can hear me. Now, if you've never heard of Chartreuse, it's an ancient herbal liqueur made by a set of secret Carthusian monks. It's a secret recipe. There's only 2 monks that know that recipe. It's made from 150 different plants. One of those is a herb called Juniper, which is this run that I'm on at the moment in Val Thorens. So there you go. It's a kind of radioactive green. It's about 55% alcohol, which means in about 3 sips I may lose the ability to feel my legs, and I've got to strap this snowboard onto myself and career down this mountain. So Chartreuse should be served chilled, and I've had it in the snow for about 5 minutes. It's probably just the perfect temperature. This, I have to admit, is not ideal conditions for tasting, to be honest. In the glass it goes. What am I doing? So yeah, radioactive green. The green one's my fave. Distillery isn't too far from here, just down nearer the Grand Massif. And yeah, let's try it in what is becoming quite difficult conditions. That real hit of the burn of the alcohol, but then the sweetness, bitterness, herbal. It's just such an interesting drink. Loving drinking it on the slopes. Right, all right, time for the real test. Snowboarding under the influence of a 400-year-old monk magic juice. Right, I'm going to go. This is ridiculous. That was pretty scary. Conditions did deteriorate. The wind picked up more and visibility. Cloud came over. Visibility was very poor. So I didn't film anything because I just drank Chartreuse and I probably would have fallen over. So I'll try and finish the video here from the bedroom. For me, what makes Chartreuse so interesting, so fascinating, and one of the best spirits in the world is not just because its flavour, which is amazing, or because I associate it with the Alps, and I absolutely love snowboarding and I love drinking it when I'm out here, but because of the sheer mystery surrounding it. It's steeped in 130 different herbs, but it's also steeped in history. I absolutely love that. You know, the monks have been making it since 1737, and the recipe, the older recipe, dates back from 1605. It's incredible how old it is. It's such an artisan historical drink. There's no shortcuts that have been done over those years. It's not mass produced, you know, it's made in near total silence. It's almost like you're tasting history. Then, of course, the taste. Chartreuse is an experience. It's warming, it's spicy, it's immensely herbal, and slightly sweet. It's so delicious. It starts off fresh, medicinal, and then shifts gear into a long, layered, massive kind of peppermint, aniseed, and then mint freshness and heat on the finish. And at 55% alcohol, it's a full-on assault of your palate. Yet despite its potency, Chartreuse outside of the Alps has got a devoted following with bartenders, chefs, mixologists. Loads and loads of different cocktails have been made with it, including the last word. And whether you love it or you fear it, there is nothing else in the world quite like Chartreuse. So here's to that.